March ni som panga sang ni som ni paruk ani emi tam takina an ria chak tu da hining kan hre thei don in alanga Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu hi aladam ani hemi chungchang he kan reaction mai he kan en ho lokang
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sang ni somni paruka atanga sang ni somni pasari academic sessionatan class 9 atanga class 12 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thu ne na no pangan zirtir na le an kai hoina skula hian admission rontivero le
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School phone number on talana hianin in lahan bianga admission in lo ti theu don ni ole hey athi tikhanin athang vak maya hovel huapa ami kha dot alo ni le pek ni omani.
The Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has now released a new video from a cafe in Israel amid disinformation campaigns and
tuna hianin Netanyahu hi cafe a coffee in lai tur video hi an ron ti chuak ani lat mai na social media abigin Instagram lama te chuanin atam khop mai ani Netanyahu athi antia a then chun lo lom a amaro chu hei hi dot ni na lang ta riau mai ne
fake news by Iranian handles about his death.
Iran lampangina thudiklo anthe dar ani mel khop mai tu na landana chuan mo hei Netanyahu hi a coffee in lai hi ron lang chiang khop maya.
And well, this of course comes after Netanyahu's office also released this video saying that the Prime Minister is fine.
Achan chu tuna
And that's the video.
Tuna aku theti aron ti na chan kha chu a video masa zo ka khan aku jungtang kha paruk angina langani aku jungtang kha mo achan chu artificial intelligence po ni che lo deep fake tiang vel manga video an siam hi chuan entinan apanga hi chu pangai na langa maro chu kujungtang vel hi chu I pangai de ron lang tam thina khami vel awang khanin mitam tak chuanin Netanyahu hi Iran lampangin an that to a chuan hetianga video an ron siam hi AI mangin an siama hetianga an ron siam na chan po mitam tak ati chi ai lo na turatan hetiang hianin Israel lampang hianin an ron chop chuak ani ti ania amaro chu tunai hianin hey Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu cafe a hetiang hianin coffee kenga akut jungtang tian panga ani zia te han ron tilang tathat mai boxia
Video which the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has shared from a cafe, perhaps debunking all rumors which were doing the rounds regarding his assassination.
Midang abiak lai te po tiang hianin an ron tilang le bokani khi mi video khian mo chuanin Iran lampang khanin kan that ang khan kan that ang Iran lampang chuanin kan thatani antia amaro chu anu khanin an konfi lo le deuhlek ni na langa tuna hianin Israel Prime Minister hi om na chin hriata ni lo ti ania chuanin nimin nge voilama po khanin Israel lampang in video an ron ti chua pakhata khan khami council war room council ni tamain ka ria kha Benjamin Netanyahu telve na zi ania khami te kha maro chu khami video te khan tel box silowa chuanin US official pakhat kha live interview ati lai khanin Trumpan amudu che anti man mo deuh khanin avaluta aron chua le kha chuanin atong thalei thei tame ulewani khang zong te kha an han ngai to an han lakhoma information an nei zong te kha direct the win Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu hi athi ti official taka confirmation omlo ma se khang ang khanin hetiang hi ani chuanin Iran lampang hian lo that tak ani don hi tiang ai dan kha mitam tak ngai dan kha ani manani amaro chu tiang in video kan mule ta box ni
A short while ago, Benjamin Netanyahu's son, Yair Netanyahu's ex account also drew attention amid the rumors. Take a look at this video, which clearly showcases the proof that the Israeli Prime Minister is alive as war has very well passed the 2-week mark.
לחיים, אתה חושב שהמסר לאנשים שיוצאים ומתאווררים? לצאת להתאוורר, אבל ליד מרחב מוגן. והעמידה שלכם היא מדהימה.
קומון לא, למה? אמה, ארון טרונג צוח הרענג רנג בוקסה?
נותנת כוח לי, לממשלה, לצה"ל, למוסד, אנחנו...
פריים מיניסטר, קלה דם ציינג אני. היי, אם מואנג, קלה דם אני, עתי אני. תביא לי לה, הטרונג שתיים או מנגזי זנגין.
עושים דברים שאני לא יכול לשתף ברגע זה, אבל עושים דברים מכים באיראן חזק מאוד גם ביום הזה.
social media in mukhatsu alem ni kha teati in karing.
All right, let's go across to Aditya Rajkol, who joined me live from Tel Aviv. Aditya, tell us more about the messaging that the Israeli Prime Minister is
Aditya here in Israel, opui Tel Aviv atangin report aron pedona ni.
trying to send across after he's released this video, perhaps debunking all kind of rumors that he is perhaps assassinated.
Well, yes, this is a big message coming in from the Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu. Not only has he released a video, he has traveled to a cafe in a public space and he's enjoying his coffee and debunking all rumors of assassination. Remember, Pakistani and Iranian handles and some handles in India as well.
Pakistani handles, Iranian handles. There's a social media account. Pakistan ramamite, Iran ramamite. Suanin India ram suang. Ngay po hienin hetiang lampang. Prime Minister Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu hi athi ang chizonga thu lo the dar vak tin soidot chong silawa Prime Minister hi athi anyanga ti ngai bel theina tur ang hoizong video news ang chi te kha khating ang chi kha puang kha antamani
Was spreading this fake news saying that Netanyahu had been killed and assassinated, but nothing of that sort has happened. Remember, I had also come under attack across the social media saying that I was the person who had interviewed him on the March 2nd and that revealed his location. Well, that was all rubbish that was coming across in entire social media.
March ni thia khanin keima ngei hianin ka interviewa chuanin khatiang ka interviewa wang khanin Prime Minister Netanyahu location a omna te po hriat thei pa ani khatiang zonga social media in mu zong po kha dot vek ani aron ti ni jesu in Indian media chen kha thau hianin views andu lutuk na lamate clicks andu lutuk na lamate hatiang hianin thu diklo information diklo anlo thedar na sa ani
media. Of course, NDTV has been getting a lot of exclusives here in Israel because I've been camping here over the last 20 days. And now
helai muna hianin ni som ni chung ka omto ni Israel Tel Aviv a hian atia so van sonin NDTV correspondent to na Israel o mek hianin thil chu a sha chiang thokhat via winner ri nomani
Netanyahu himself has released this video clearly debunking all the rumors all around that he has been harmed in any way. He seems fit.
mi chen kha soida sonin athi ani lo pon a hlia enge athi ni lo podin hliam na tak atuara niang ti khami tam tak ngai dana nia a than phejon hospital a o manga ICU ate o manga chu wang chuanin heta mi pui ma aron in lan vak lawan yang tia ngai dan siam pol te kha antamani
completely and has been attending all meetings and also going to all the places where attacks have happened across
meeting zong a attend veka chuanin Iran lampangina Israel mun sang be enge anron ka fu ang chi khatiang aron ti chiat na hmun ang zong ate po khanin akal kim vek ani aron te ni kan NDTV correspondent hian mo
Israel. So clearly a big statement coming in at a time when there's a lot of disinformation, fake news and propaganda that's been underway from Iranian handles, but also a lot of Pakistani handles involved in this as well.
Iran le Pakistan atanga social media account chen khathian hetiang hianin disinformation information diklo fake news dot thedar ang chi kha anron beina sa emema hi engwai nge hetiang hianin Iran le Pakistan na social media account chen khaten an ron ti chuanin hetiang information hi enge adar nasat lutuk chuan abikin Israel ram chuwa te po mitam takhan lo chi ai ve thei ani kha Iran lampang te son an du dan tur chu ani mai ani mo tin khovel pumpuya te po khanin mitam tak te po khanin heng dot te pon lo oyanga chuan hetiang dot an lo oi chuan tianga information diklo an lo thedar an oi ani chuan an thedar an oi ani chuan heta an sarkar ram dang dei sarkar ate po khanin mi pui te po khan pressure te po khan lo pe ve thei ani chan chu kan ma huna nge thleng don thila chiang lo Israel Prime Minister po chu tiang kha tiang ani thito tiang si vel te tiang chi ang khan mo a pressure te po khan lo in pe kwal ve thei ani empo di se hei NDTV lam pang so din athilo an ron tia.
Absolutely, Aditya. You have been getting us all the exclusive and big news there from Israel. But talk to us more about this video which Bibi has released, perhaps debunking all the claims regarding his assassination, and also the video released at a time when the Iranian authorities have also vowed vengeance, retaliation for the death of its own supreme leader.
Iran lampang so mo Prime Minister hi Netanyahu hi athi ani lo chuanin athi ma chu kan ve ang tia zote pokanin Iran lampang chuanin warning an ron ti chuak to pokani epon ni se thil dang de kan soibel zokang reilote India hi afing ka ti khop ba ram tam tak tu na hianin an boin an tal boi ni a chan chu Strait of Hormuz Iran lampang hianin an control te ta chu van chuanin oil phurlong te hi an ron kal chuak hlei theilo ni ama ro chu Iran lampang hianin India ram pantur Indian flag vessel kan ti ang chi kha khang long te ro kha chu Iran lampang hianin kaltang aphal saklet mai ani hei hi kan central sarkar foreign policy le neutral taka a om thiam zar kan zo ti lo thei lo chan chu India hianin in the one tran malok hanin Israel te pon prime minister te po kha vazinta amaro chu Israel avazina wang khanin Iran nen a kan inkar kan relationship kan in thian thatna kha a chiat pha chung lo re reng tu na hian chuan India hianin US nen relationship a maintain tet boka Russia le China nen engtin ti mani maintain le de tet boka om neutral thiam riau India po himo ale khati zong kha tun trum atana kan react thei chu ni a video la ga in mule theu da ni